In 2026, South Africa is preparing to witness a revolutionary transformation in its transportation sector with the arrival of one of the most advanced high-speed trains in the world, a project that has already captured the imagination of the public and the attention of industry experts across the globe, because this is not just the launch of another railway vehicle but the introduction of a symbol of progress, innovation, and modernity for a country that has long been waiting for a new era in mobility. The train, designed with futuristic aerodynamic curves and engineered with precision to handle incredible speeds while maintaining unmatched stability, is being unveiled in a luxury white English-style showroom where bright spotlights illuminate the glossy body of the train and the atmosphere is filled with excitement as hundreds of South African citizens, journalists, leaders, and celebrities gather to celebrate a once-in-a-lifetime moment. Unlike anything that has been experienced in South Africa before, this high-speed train represents not only technological advancement but also national pride, because it is being presented as a flagship of the future, a project that brings South Africa into the global league of countries that operate world-class high-speed rail systems. The design of the train is both futuristic and elegant, blending functionality with luxury, offering passengers a travel experience that feels more like flying on a premium jet than riding a conventional train. The interiors feature wide, comfortable seats with ergonomic design, advanced digital entertainment systems, smart climate control, noise reduction technology, and panoramic windows that allow travelers to enjoy the scenic beauty of South Africa's landscapes at speeds once thought impossible for rail transport in the region. Engineers have incorporated eco-friendly technology with reduced carbon emissions, making this train not just fast but also sustainable, aligning with global efforts to fight climate change and reduce dependency on fossil fuels. The ceremonial launch is staged as a grand spectacle with banners written in bold South African languages, capturing the essence of national identity, while a crowd of over 100 people on both sides of the train cheer and applaud, symbolizing the unity and excitement that this project has sparked. The gleaming white and blue color scheme of the train under the showroom lights highlights the sophistication of its exterior, while the golden lettering of its name adds a royal touch, making the entire event feel like the coronation of a new age for South African transport. As the ceremony progresses, South African cultural performers, dressed in traditional attire, add rhythm and soul to the event, creating a unique blend of heritage and innovation, reminding everyone that while the country embraces cutting-edge technology, it never forgets its cultural roots. This launch is also seen as a strategic step for economic growth, as faster, safer, and more reliable transportation will open new opportunities for trade, tourism, and regional connectivity, reducing travel time between major cities and boosting productivity across industries. Government officials highlight how this train will redefine commuting, making long journeys possible in just a fraction of the time, encouraging more business exchanges, and allowing citizens to explore more of their own country with unprecedented convenience. The symbolism of this train is powerful. It is not just a mechanical achievement but a vision of what South Africa can achieve in the 21st century, a future where innovation is embraced and the nation is connected like never before. Industry experts point out the technical brilliance behind its engineering, from its advanced traction systems to the aerodynamic nose that slices through the air with minimal resistance, ensuring both energy efficiency and high performance. At the same time, safety has been given top priority, with state-of-the-art control systems, real-time monitoring, automated braking, and resilient construction materials designed to withstand extreme conditions. The project also creates thousands of jobs, both in the manufacturing phase and in the long-term operations of the railway system, empowering local communities and building a new generation of South African engineers and technicians trained in advanced railway technology. Media coverage of the event reaches far beyond the borders of South Africa, as international outlets recognize the significance of this launch, noting how it places South Africa on the global map of high-speed rail innovation alongside major economies. The emotional reaction of the crowd, the awe of seeing the train's sleek body shining under the showroom lights, and the pride of knowing that such progress is happening in their homeland, all combine to make this one of the most memorable days in South Africa's modern history. The long-term vision is equally inspiring, as experts predict that the train will eventually expand to connect different regions, creating a vast network that integrates cities, towns, and communities, reducing the gaps between rural and urban areas, and ensuring equal opportunities for growth. The assembly process itself has been a marvel, carried out in world-class facilities with teams of dedicated engineers working tirelessly to perfect every component, from the powerful engines to the lightweight but strong body shell, from the precision braking systems to the advanced suspension units, ensuring that the final product meets the highest international standards. Images of the train during assembly show sparks flying in factories, robotic arms welding sections with precision, and human hands carefully fitting together complex components, a true collaboration between man and machine, showcasing the industrial might that supports this technological leap. For passengers, the experience promises to be unlike anything they have known before. Boarding the train will feel like entering a futuristic lounge, with smart lighting that adapts to the time of day, high-speed internet keeping everyone connected, gourmet food services offering fine South African cuisine, and an overall environment of comfort and elegance that redefines the very concept of rail travel. Children will gaze in wonder at the futuristic cabin, business travelers will appreciate the time saved, and families will find new opportunities to explore the diverse beauty of South Africa without the fatigue of long road journeys. At the same time, environmentalists applaud the project for its focus on sustainability, pointing out that this high-speed train reduces the need for short domestic flights, cutting emissions and making a positive contribution to the planet. The ceremony closes with fireworks and light displays, the train shining like a jewel in the center of the showroom, while South African music fills the hall, merging tradition with modernity in a way that perfectly reflects the spirit of the nation. As leaders step up to speak, they emphasize that this is more than just a train. It is a message to the world that South Africa is ready to embrace the future, that it has the vision and the courage to invest in innovation, and that its people are united in pride and determination. This day will be remembered not only as the launch of a new train but as the dawn of a new era, one where South Africa accelerates into the future with confidence, speed, and elegance, leaving behind limitations of the past and entering a horizon filled with endless possibilities. This single project embodies hope, ambition, and resilience, qualities that have always defined the South African spirit, and now, with the shining symbol of the high-speed train leading the way, the journey into tomorrow feels unstoppable, promising generations of South Africans a future where progress runs on rails of innovation and dreams travel at the speed of light.